Yo, man, ever been to Jamaica and felt like you stepped into a time warp? Don't worry, you're not losing it. It's just the Jamaican way of keeping things interesting. You see, in Jamaica, the afternoon magically transforms into evening the moment the sun starts to dip a little. It's like the island collectively decides, all right, time to wind down, it's getting dark soon. And don't even get me started on good morning. You might be thinking, but Trevor, it's practically lunchtime. Well, in Jamaica, good morning has an extended lifespan. It's perfectly acceptable to greet someone with a cheerful good morning until midday. It's all about that laid-back island vibe, you know? Now, I know what you're thinking. How do they tell time in Jamaica? Honestly, it's a beautiful mystery. Maybe they have a secret sundial system or communicate through reggae rhythms. Whatever it is, it works for them, and that's all that matters. Now, let's talk about the Jamaican way of showing respect. You might hear someone say, "Good morning, Big Mama," and think, wait, is she about to bench press a car? But hold up, man. There's no need to hit the gym just yet. In Jamaica, big doesn't always refer to physical size. It's a term of endearment, especially for older women. Calling an older woman Big Mama or Big Sis is a sign of respect, acknowledging their wisdom, experience, and important role in the community. It's like saying, you've lived, you've learned, and we appreciate your presence. So next time you're in Jamaica and you hear someone say big, don't automatically assume they're talking about someone's waistline. It's all about that Jamaican love and respect, my friends. Hold on to your hats, folks, because in Jamaica, names are just a suggestion. Seriously, everyone and their pet goat has a nickname. It's like a rite of passage, a badge of honor that says, you're one of us now. From Shorty to Redman to Brown Sugar, Jamaican nicknames are as colorful and diverse as the island itself. These nicknames aren't just random, though. They often reflect a person's personality, physical characteristics, or even a funny story. It's a way of adding a personal touch, a dash of Jamaican spice to everyday interactions. So if you're ever in Jamaica and someone calls you slim when you're built like a refrigerator, don't take it personally. Just embrace the nickname, roll with the punches, and remember, it's all in good fun. Section 4, Style Status, when looking good defies economic realities. Now let's talk about Jamaican fashion, because let me tell you, these people know how to dress. But here's the thing. Sometimes the most stylishly dressed Jamaicans are the ones who have the least. You might see someone rocking a crisp linen shirt and perfectly pressed pants looking like they just stepped out of a fashion magazine, and then find out they're struggling to make ends meet. On the flip side, you might see someone driving a fancy car wearing torn jeans and a faded t-shirt. It's a fascinating paradox, a testament to the Jamaican spirit of looking good no matter what. You see, for many Jamaicans, dressing up isn't about showing off wealth. It's about dignity, pride, and self-expression. It's about saying, I may not have much, but I'm going to face the world with my head held high and my outfit on point. Section 5, Wisdom of the Elders, Jamaican Proverbs in Daily Life. Now let's talk about Jamaican proverbs, because these little nuggets of wisdom are like the island's secret sauce. Passed down through generations, these sayings are deeply ingrained in Jamaican culture, offering guidance, humor, and a unique perspective on life. You might hear someone say, every dog hafi him day, and every puss hafi him 4 o'clock, which basically means everyone gets their time to shine. Or how about this one? Wah, sweet nanny go run him belly. Translation, what seems good at first might not be good for you in the long run. See, deep, right? Jamaican proverbs are like little life lessons disguised as catchy phrases. They remind us to stay humble, persevere through challenges, and appreciate the simple things in life. So, next time you're feeling lost, try turning to a Jamaican proverb. You never know, it might just have the wisdom you need. Section 6, Jamaica's Cultural Tapestry, a celebration of uniqueness. So there you have it, a glimpse into the fascinating and often hilarious world of Jamaican culture. From their unique way with time to their love of nicknames and proverbs, Jamaicans have a way of turning the ordinary into the extraordinary. It's a culture that embraces its African roots while forging its own path. a vibrant tapestry woven together by history, resilience, and a whole lot of soul. So, next time you're lucky enough to experience Jamaica, remember to embrace the quirks, appreciate the traditions, and above all, enjoy the ride. Because in Jamaica, life is a celebration, and everyone's invited to the party. One love.